Hey, it's Aleene here. I hope you're doing great and having a fabulous day. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a DIY action wobble for your card. So first I've already stamped and colored this cute set called Fall Breeze Bright Leaves from Unity Stamp and Lisa Glanz. I'm kind of prepped my card beforehand so that this video will not take forever. And I'm just adding water to my watercolors there, which is the Prima Pastel Dreams. And I'm just grabbing my water brush and just coloring in the entire background. I'm only using regular cardstock here, not watercolor cardstock. And if you notice, the colors are not blending as much as they are on watercolor cardstock, but that's okay because it kind of gives a messy, artistic look, I hope. And as you can see, you don't have to be great in watercolors. You just have to dip your brush in the colors and just paint away. Once you're happy with it, I'm using a heat gun here to heat it up, or you can leave it to dry on its own. So now the card is dried, it's time to create the DIY action wobble. Here I'm grabbing a threaded wire and just wiring it around my pencil or a pen will do. And depends on how high you want the bunny to be. Just cut according to your preference and grab a piece of scrap paper to create the base for the wire to stick on to the card and also to the bunny. To add some interest to my card, I am adding the Unity Stamp Aurora Sequins to my card. And here is how my bunny looks like on the DIY action wobble. I hope you enjoy this quick tip technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!